Take a ride in 2017 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, power sunroof, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.